Hi, viewers, you are watching Mr. Tech in this video. I will show you how to use original sound in TikTok. This is very easy method, hope you will understand. For this, first of all, you have to open TikTok application. After opening it, click on plus icon below. Then open your gallery. For this, you have to make a screen recording of any song from YouTube and save it in your gallery. I saved it and then selected it. Then click on Next. After that, you can see an interface like this, so you will see many options on the right side. You have to click on the edit icon. After that, you will see many options below. Slide a bit and click on overlay. After that, from here you have to choose the video on which you want to put this song. I choose this video and click on Next. After that, you have to mute the sound of your video. Then adjust it. In this way, you can apply your original sound. I hope you will understand. If you don't understand anything, you can ask any question and comment section. I will try my best to answer, and keep watching Mr. Tech for more advanced tutorials.
Bye!